If your cost per lead keeps going up, stop blaming Meta, Google, or the algorithm, because the truth is, most CPL problems are self-inflicted. Today I'll show you why CPL increases over time, the real leaks killing performance, and how top advertisers stabilize CPL even while scaling. Every ad account follows the same pattern. Cheap leads at the start, costs slowly rise, performance plateaus, panic sets in. This isn't the platform being evil. It's market saturation plus weak systems. If you don't evolve, CPL will rise by default. Reason 1. You're buying traffic, not intent. Most advertisers optimize for clicks, impressions, cheap CPMs. Top advertisers optimize for buying signals, problem-aware users, decision stage intent. High intent costs more upfront but less per conversion. Cheap traffic is expensive in disguise. Reason 2. Your funnel leaks before the form. Here's the silent CPL killer. Great ads. Weak landing pages. If your page loads slowly, doesn't match the ad promise, has too many CTAs, your CPL will rise, no matter how good the targeting is. Ads don't convert. Funnels do. Reason 3. Creative fatigue. If you're running the same message for weeks, attention drops, CTR drops, CPL rises. The platform isn't punishing you. People are ignoring you. Top teams rotate. Hooks, angles, creatives weekly, not monthly. Reason 4. You're optimizing for the wrong conversion. If you tell the platform, optimize for form fills, but sales say, these leads are trash, you've trained the algorithm wrong. Quality feedback = better leads. Silence = higher CPL. How top marketers stabilize CPL. Here's the playbook. Fix intent first. Align ad, page, offer refresh creatives, consistently optimize for real outcomes. Scale only after stability. CPL doesn't drop by accident. It's engineered. If your cost per lead keeps rising, don't cut the budget. Audit the system. Subscribe for more marketing content.